What's up, guys? Mighty Mike here, Process Server Daily, BSD University. Guys, I'm so stoked at what's coming up. Been shooting some emails back and forth with Trent Carlisle with ServeNow, Serve Manager, and we got some really cool ideas that are coming down the pike. So here coming up pretty soon, you're going to see Process Server Daily podcast on the Serve Report. And that comes out about every 2 weeks, which has like 20,000 followers on it, I guess. So I'm pretty stoked about that. I'm pretty stoked to work with those guys. You know, they're kind of the pioneers of bringing this old industry into the new. And so I'm excited to be a part of that. And I just wanted to invite you guys to come check out my webinar. So I'm doing a webinar tomorrow. And one of the reasons is, let me just tell you, one of the things I'm doing with Serve Manager is I'm putting together this thing called Automation Domination, okay? It's primarily my project, but I'm using their software, Serve Manager, because see, these guys are with the times. They use API integration where, like if you've ever heard of Zapier, it's one of these softwares that will basically make the two programs talk to each other. And I thought, man, if I could just save myself 20 minutes or an hour of my time, no data entry, not having to be on the phone talking to people. If I could just save like 20 minutes, 30 minutes like that every single day over the course of a whole year, this would be very valuable to me. And I think it would be valuable to other people, right? So I decided that what I'm going to do is put this thing together. So I started tinkering around with it, and come to find out, I could use my sales software that I use, ClickFunnels, to do all my front-end sales to get more customers, and that's what I've been really good at. But then I could use on the back end, I can use Serve Manager and the integration from ClickFunnels using other tools like FormStack and different things, and basically integrate everything through to Serve Manager and then through the process from beginning to end. And so I've been working on this and I've mastered it. I'm writing a book called Automation Domination. It's going to be coming out August 1st. And so one of the things I was thinking about is, like, if people are going to do this and they're going to do this automation, what if their business isn't getting enough sales? Like, it's not going to really be worth it to them. And in my webinar, I'm going to talk about, you know, I have all the slides made and stuff, and I was thinking about how am I going to like tell people about this so they understand it the way I understand it. And the thing is like, every year I doubled my business, you know, like I had, and I'm going to go over this in the webinar, but I went from like 10 to, 25, and then next year I like 45, and then 65 customer. And then like this year it's doubled. I'm not talking about your one-time customers. I'm talking about your monthly customers that send you business. So not only did I increase my customers from like 65 to over 200 now, every single month pay me over $72, something like that. So you do the math. This is, and I'm not bragging, I'm just telling you, this is the model that I want to share with you. And there's a little trick that I started doing that brought me from like 65 monthly customers to over 200. I started doing it just here in 2018. So just in the last 6 months, I had a paradigm shift at the last Callus Pro conference, and it caused me to decide to lose weight. So I've lost 80 pounds, losing weight like crazy. I'm not going to share that in this webinar, but maybe in another one. But guys, you can turn your business around, and you can make it the one that it needs to be, and you can do what makes you happy. So if you're interested in checking out the free webinar, I'm going to go through this whole training for free. And at the end, I'm going to tell you about a couple different programs that I have that I want to be able to help walk you through this process. And so, but you're going to get the free training, and it's going to start at 2 o'clock tomorrow, right, on the 16th. And you got to pre-register. So click on the link, webinartraining.net/sign up. If you guys are interested, you want to check it out. This will change your business. If you apply it in your business, it will change it. So I look forward to seeing you there, and it's tomorrow, so we'll see you tomorrow.